My name is Ahmed Shaga. I'm the owner of Beersa Bistro.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandra. This is Chef Brett. We are the owners of Portobello's of Kennett Square.
Jossie Osborne, and I'm the owner of Kennett Brewing Company right here in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Julián Peña. Soy propietario del pequeño negocio de la taquería La Peña Mexicana aquí en Kennett Square, Pennsylvania.
My name is Jason. This is Char. We're here at Cafe de Thai.
This is Evergreen Cafe. My name is Valerie Machoro.
My name is Scott Marsden of Verbena BYOB.
So I'm Molly Johnston from Nomadic Pies.
My name is Tina King, and my husband and I own the produce place.
Hi, I'm Chris Thompson, and I own Filter Coffee.
There has been an outpouring of local support, whether it is to dine in when we're available for dine in, whether it is purchasing gift cards, ordering takeout, all those little things add up.
We had such phenomenal support from the community, and we are just extremely grateful, extremely grateful. People trusted us, they supported us, they thanked us, they were appreciative. I don't know how many times a day we heard, "We're so glad you're here." I just want to say thank you. Everybody was so supportive. I'm not going to lie, it's a difficult time to be serving, but people's appreciation, and that just made it so much easier to do our job. So, thank you to the community.
Momentos bajos, momentos más o menos y momentos muy buenos. Entonces no nos queda más que agradecerle a Dios que estamos bien de salud, que tengo gente que me apoya, que mi negocio sigue de pie, que mis clientes siguen visitándome, siguen aportando para mi negocio, para darle una vida decente a mi familia, a mi esposa, a mis hijos.
The community has been the best community I've ever been since I got to this town in 2010. I met some of the nicest people in the world. They're so supportive and they're so local supportive. Keep being supportive of the local, keep shopping local.
And I am so blessed to be a part of a community that does this, that every single one of us matters to them. There are some families that I've seen the mom pregnant, and now I see her with her like little toddler, and the toddler is so excited for my cinnamon buns that I really feel, for the first time in my young life, that I'm a part of something bigger.
This community support's been wonderful. We've even while I was stuck doing only the online stuff, I was pretty happy with the amount of people who did support us by ordering coffee, bags of beans and the chocolates and all, just whatever we had, people were buying, and it was very nice. Bringing in some of the other local artists who would normally be selling to the public and didn't have a way to do that anymore. I started selling those things, and people supported that as well. So it was really nice to see how the town kind of embraced us.
This community is making this restaurant successful.
It's really amazing, and I see that all in the community Facebook groups too, that I think just the area that we're in and this amazing community of people are so dedicated to that. And just I also have noticed there's so much more people giving shout outs to different businesses where they wouldn't necessarily have gone out of their way to make a Facebook post, but just spreading the word about it. So that's been really great.
We were constantly, being kind of cheered on by the community, which was great. And it actually, for a while, was decent. The business was kind of picking up a little bit during the pandemic, but obviously with takeout.
With this year, we've seen a lot of generosity and a lot of really caring.
This past 9 months has made people really appreciate what's most important, and that's family, friends, community.
Kennett Square, I can't thank you enough. You have absolutely been wonderful to Kennett Brewing Company, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Kennett Square, for your support. Thank you.
Thank you for all of your support.
Thank you from all of us at Nomadic Pies.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Thank you, Kennett Square.
Y muchas gracias.
On behalf of Verbena, myself, and all of the staff, I would like to say thank you to all the support that we've received over the past 10 months during this pandemic. So thank you so much.